barbecue fam? Today we're a turkey and we're doing some smoked acorn squash. Oh hell yeah, check this out. So the turkey we're hitting up with Uncle Steve's bird shake. Oh hell yeah, it rocked last year, and we're popping it into some peanut oil for about 45 minutes or so. It's about a 13-pound bird. And then the acorn squash is going on char griller 980 smoked. Oh hell yeah. I'm putting in some butter. I cut the acorn squash in half. 2 of them. Quarter stick of butter each, some maple syrup, and some of this Grillaholics SPG plus butter. Oh hell yeah, double butter, why not? Oh yeah, acorn squash is rocking, check it out. Yeah. So you want to get your smoker up to about 425. Pop those in. I put it on the elevated grate so I can easily, when you're basting with that butter that's inside, every 10 minutes or so, you're gonna do this for about an hour, and it's gonna come out amazing. Oh hell yeah! And then the deep fryer, that's outside. Check this out. So the turkey breast is hitting 165, 170. We're done. We're crispy. It smells amazing. Oh, hell yeah. Acorn squash is ready to come out in just a moment. We're going to put this all together and take a taste of this turkey. Yeah. Oh, hell yeah. Pulling these out. Try not to make a mess because they're full of hot butter. And maybe I should practice some safety thirds. Keep that butter in there so when you put it in whatever dish you're doing, or you can leave it like that and just scoop out the insides. Awesome. Hell yeah. Let's slice into this guy. Juicy as all hell. and hot. Ooh. Hell yeah. Oh, hell yeah. Oh, hell yeah.
I said give me a hell yeah.
Deep fry your birds. Damn delicious. Cheers, folks. Killer.
I said give me a hell yeah.
There you go. We'll clean that up later. Usually that means the next day. Come on, guys. Barbecuers. Most of us, what? Next day cleanup? Do you like juicy breasts? Deep fry your turkey. Oh, hell yeah. I'll catch you guys on the next one.